Hi friends, today I will be drawing Cole from Dandy's World. Let's begin. Start from the top of the body. Imagine you're drawing a mountain, and irregularly shaped sharp cuts using uneven lines. Next, draw the bottom. It should look like a line connecting constellation. Draw a standing line and a slight curve, let it be there. Now, draw a half hexagon shape that will be Cole's tail. Cole has 3 visible legs, while one is hidden. It also carries a bag on its back. Next, let's draw the strap of the bag. It's a thick belt with bags at the both ends. Now, let's add lines to the face. These lines help differentiate the face from the body, otherwise, it would just look like one big lump of coal or rock. Draw a line at the bottom of the body to differentiate the upper and lower portions. Cole has 2 eyes, so I'm using my 360 degrees protractor to draw them. The size of an eye is 13. However, only one eye is circular, while the other is drawn from a side view. Now, let's draw a small rectangular nostril along with the mouth. So, for the second eye, you'll need to use a freehand method. Next, draw a smaller inner circle for the eye, and don't forget the eye bags. Yes, Cole has eye bags. Cole also has a symbol on its face. One of the YouTube artists, Drawing with Izzy, drew 2 symbols on both sides of the face. Cole also has a flag on its back, though I'm not sure exactly where it is inserted. Now, let's add another smaller bag hanging on the other side of the saddle belt. Next, I'm drawing rectangular eyebrows above both eyes. If you find the video too fast, please adjust the speed settings to 0.75x or even lower for easier follow along. Moving on to coloring. I'll start by coloring the pupils and the nostrils black. For the legs, eyelids, and eye bags, I'm using a darker cool gray. For the entire body, I'm using a warm gray alcohol marker. You can use any coloring tools you have, but make sure to choose a light gray, something similar to elephant skin, not too light, just the right shade of gray. The body color should always be lighter than the legs, so choose your shades accordingly. For the satchel bags and the belt, I'm using a bright red brush pen. Cole is a new character introduced in Dandy's World for the Christmas season. Actually, 4 new characters were introduced, and Cole is one of them. Now, we are coloring the flagpole using a combination of dark mustard and light yellow. The same symbol from earlier is also present on the flag. I'm using a red rose color to shade the flag symbol and the belt. For the inner part of the bag, I used wine red. I'm also using wine red to draw the stitch marks on the belt and bag. Next, I'm outlining the entire character using a black sketch pen. But don't go away yet, it's not over. I still have a few finishing touches to add. Please wait and watch. You might think the character is fully done, but there's one last step. Now, I'm using a dark brown color pencil to add shading, making the drawing look more realistic. I hope you enjoyed my video. I'll be sharing a playlist at the end of the video on how to draw Dandy's World characters, so please check it out. By the way, my channel name is Watching You. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. Thank you, and bye for now.